Hey guys, Jack Scalfani here. I just want to tell you that still on my eating plan. Everything's going great. Profile by Sanford, having a blast, moving along. People are starting to notice now, like when I go to church, they're like, hey, I can really see a difference, and I can see a difference. And multiple people at church have already checked into the program. So if you have a location near you, check into it. It's really good. You get your own personal counselor, and it's made a difference in my life. So I'm glad I made the choice. And by the way, this is a dish that I can have on my eating plan, okay? This is a product I saw, in fact, from the profile plan. I saw somebody, Brad, who was in the plan also with me. They posted on this product. So I want to do a food product review with you and tell you about this because we strive to replace bread, to replace biscuits. We strive to replace tortillas. We tried using jicama wraps and they were not that great. They were okay. They held the taco together, they worked, but they didn't taste good. They didn't have a good texture in your mouth. They were white and slimy. And so the jicama wraps, if you like jicama, try that out. But in the meantime, I saw these wraps, and these wraps are incredible. So come on in close. Let me tell you what I'm talking about. I got everything. We're going to make some kind of like breakfast burritos. All right? So come on in. All right, guys, here it is, Egglife. It's called Egglife, and I didn't get all the flavors. I only got 4. I think they have 6 or 8 flavors. But this one is the Italian style. This is you're wondering, what is this? These are tortillas made out of egg whites. That's right, called Egglife. So this one's Italian herbs are on it, Italian style. This is the original. This one has rye, it's a rye style. And then this one is the Southwestern style. So you'll find other flavors on the internet. I got mine at Amazon Fresh. I'll put a link down below so you can see where I got mine. But we're gonna try these out. And you're looking at 30 calories, 5 grams of protein, less than 1 carb. That's the key right there, less than 1 carb. That's beautiful. I like that. This has 0 carbs. This one has less than 1 carb. This one has 1 carb. So they're really, really good. I don't know what it's going to be like. So we're going to cook up some stuff and warm up these egg white tortillas. That's what they are. See? And we're going to try them out, okay? I'm probably going to try out the original so I can taste everything else. But let's go over the ingredients. We got some cilantro, a poblano pepper, or you can use Anaheim chili peppers. But this is a good flavor pepper. You've got a jalapeno. You've got the green onions. You got some cheese, some Mexi cheese. And then we got some ground sausage we're going to brown up. So we're going to cook all these ingredients together in a frying pan. We got some salsa here. This is a really good salsa. So we're going to make somewhat of a kind of a Mexican breakfast burrito, okay? So meet me over at the stove and we'll get all the ingredients together. Got my skillet, got a little oil in there. Go ahead and light up. Light up your stove. And then make sure you got a flame, good. Warm up that oil first, and then we're gonna start browning our meat. Now, remember our little trick? Grab a little bit of meat and drop it in the pan right where the oil is. Now, when that starts bubbling, you know you're ready to go. All right, as you can see, it only took about a minute or so. Let's put our meat in there. There we go. Pull off the paper. Make sure you don't cook that up, okay? So you got your meat going. Since we're doing kind of a Mexican style breakfast burrito, I got a little Amish taco seasoning. There we go. Throw some of that in there. Give it that taco flavor. This ain't a recipe I'm following. I'm making it up myself as we go along. Got my scallions. Poblano peppers. Beautiful. Jalapenos. And let's not forget Tammy's favorite, cilantro. Now, we got taco seasoning, we got taco flavors. Oh, we're forgetting one thing. We need to go grab our cumin. Let me go grab that for you. Alright guys, here's my big bottle of cumin. Nothing like the flavor. You can never go wrong with cumin. Now it smells like Mexico. Loving it. I love me some Mexican food. Look what I found. I found Tammy's Chipotle Cholula sauce. I wonder how that got in my hand. This stuff's great. Now we're going over the top now. These flavors are blowing up. Okay guys, if you want to warm your wrap, your egg white wrap, then it looks like that. It's not really, really big. It's not a full size, but it's not a teeny tiny one. Okay, just put it in for 10 seconds in the microwave just to zap it and warm it a little bit. And then take some of your meat and peppers and onions. Put a little bit in there. This could be more like a taco, not a burrito. Okay, so put that off to the side. Then bring in the cheese, because I want the cheese to start melting on that hot meat. There we go. Bring in a little bit of salsa. There you go. Beautiful. This smells so good. I feel like I'm standing in a restaurant right now. Don't forget your dollop. I love sour cream. There you go. That's perfect. Let's get a shot of that. Okay, that looks burning hot. How hot is that? That's not bad. That ground sausage cooked up nice. The poblano peppers were so aromatic. Yeah, that's it. I had to pick the right word. So anyway, we're going to give this a try. We zapped our little tortilla wrap for about 10 seconds. It's called Egglife. Once again, we got a link down below. If you're interested in this, I'll let you know how it is. You notice we didn't put scrambled eggs or anything, no eggs in our meat mixture. Our meat mixture just has onions and peppers and seasoning, but the eggs in the wrap. So there's no reason to have more eggs inside. So let's give this a try and see if it's any good. It's got everything. You could almost wrap it like a burrito if you wanted to, but I'm not going to. Pick it up. Give it a little squishy squishy. Give it a try. That wrap is amazing, guys. This is going to be the new thing. You had the zero carb bread that went through the roof. These wraps are going to go through the roof. That's the Southwest style, okay? Very good for the Hispanic all the way through. It's awesome. So I'm going to finish this up for my lunch. I love you guys, and let me know what you think of it, all right? And I'll see you in the next episode. Bye-bye.